Hello hobby gardeners farmers. Hello hobby gardeners farmers and DIY lovers. It's your boy I.am.Will. Today I'll start this video again with an apology. Sorry I haven't uploaded a video for a very long time. The reason I haven't uploaded a video for a very long time is my current projects keeping me very busy. You can see behind me here there is some sort of cabinet on its back. This is my current project, which is the large capacity egg incubator that I'm building. My target is 5,000 egg capacity incubator. My estimation is 3,000, so I'm hoping somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000. And currently I'm doing this whole section. So this section is what I call the control room. So it's got the humidity area, it's got the heating area with all the fans, and then the last one over there, the hole, is what would be our control room. So if you come with me, so this would be the control room. You can see with all the wiring. This is where the control room is going to be. This is the entire cabinet. This area is where the egg turner is going to come, and the crates where the eggs are going to come. And just right here is the egg turner. This is where the crates are going to be sitting. It's got about, I think, 11 levels, and this is how I calculated and estimated I'm going to be able to load 3,000 to 5,000 eggs into the incubator. We'll see once it's done, but that's just a rough estimation. It could be more, it could be less, but hopefully I get between 3,000 to 5,000 eggs. So this is the egg turner, and it's all done. Just needs to be sprayed, and when the cabinet is done, it will enter the cabinet. So yeah, sorry I haven't uploaded any video, but I'm really under enormous time pressure to finish this in the next few days. I very much doubt that I'm going to hit my target the next few days, but I'm going to try as much as I can. And you see a full video on how I did this whole thing from scratch, everything I've done up until now till when it's functional. But I will be giving you regular updates just so I don't keep you waiting for too long. So I'll be giving you a regular update on what's happening on the farm. And today this video is all about what I'm doing right now, which is the large egg capacity incubator behind me. Alright folks, so done for today. We're wrapping up the day, and I'm done with all the work that I need to do whilst the cabinet is down. And for the first time in days, I'm going to lift the cabinet up and see how it looks, because I haven't actually seen it from standing upright. So I'm just going to lift it up with my helpful hand, and then we'll see how well or badly we've performed. You can see that we are still using the pipes. So you can see down we're using the pipes for the feeding. It's much more efficient and also food saving. So this is what's going on. I'm sorry about the videos, but I will try to give you regular updates. And by the way, if you can also see behind me, I haven't totally forgotten. I'm also working on the snail farm. So that's also another video you have to expect. So much going on. I'm building this whole poultry house as well. You can see it's uncompleted. It still needs to be completed. And this is also being done by yours truly and one and only I.am.Will. So forgive me for not uploading any videos recently, but I will try as much as I can to update you on what's happening. And I'll see you in the next video, hopefully not longer than you expect. And keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing, and also hit the notification button. Very important, so that you get all the new updates and all the new videos.